Also very important, if you get the WeatherTech floor liners, you have to get some interior lighting. Look at that.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick video on these WeatherTech floor mats that I got. Wanted to get something that would really protect the carpet now that my truck's getting a few years in. I don't want it to have that nasty moldy smell that I'm sure some people are familiar with. I just unboxed these, and what I'm gonna do first, and according to the instructions, you kind of want to leave them out and let them get some sun, because there's a couple little bends here that I can tell like it's not supposed to look like that. So I'm gonna leave them out in the sun and kind of let them expand. So that will ensure that everything fits the way it's supposed to. So if you get these, take them out of the box and put them in direct sunlight for at least 4 or 5 hours, and that will let the mold kind of settle. All right, so I've had them out in the sun for at least 6 hours, direct sunlight. And these are the laser cut ones. So as you can see, everything came out really, really nice. When they come out of the box, there's a couple little not dings, but they're just kind of bent because of shipping. But everything settled out real nice. And I have a 2016 F-150 SuperCrew. So the laser cut floor mats come with this huge back piece. And that came out really nice. I took a couple little bricks. This corner was kind of like folded over, so I took a couple bricks and laid them down. And after a few hours, everything came and molded back the way it should. So let's go check out the fit and finish and put them in the truck. All right, so let's start with the driver's side. Car's a little dirty, so bear with me. What's nice about these is they have the little push pins. So that's gonna mimic the factory push pins you see here. So it's gonna lock in really nice. So let's get rid of this. And you can see the difference just pure size wise. I mean, this doesn't cover very much and it's getting old, kind of crappy. You can see this is like a nice glove. It's like a bucket, and it should do a really good job at kind of protecting this whole area. So let's slide it in. Pops in nice. Yeah, that looks awesome. So everything's really laser cut. You can see here, guys, it just molds around everything. And that's why it's important to keep it out in the sun for a bit, because you can see the difference. Like, it's just everything is molded perfectly. So it's a really good fit, and it just makes the whole inside look kind of cleaner. So let's go to the other side and put the next one on. To the passenger side. Again, you can look at the difference. Big difference here. Okay, so at least on my truck, on the passenger side, there's no push pins. Maybe in different models they have them. But what they do is WeatherTech, they provide these little tech grip things. And they're like a really aggressive, they're pretty spiky. And they go in to these little rivets. So these get pushed into these little rivets. Try to grab like a tool, because these actually are pretty sharp. Give it a little pressure and it'll pop right in. I'm using a beard comb, which is probably not the right tool, but it's working for me. Shout out to all the beard guys out there. Pushes in, so that's gonna give it a nice bite. Give it a little push, and yeah, it looks really nice. Good fitment, nice and tight, nice coverage, and I like how it kind of spills over onto this existing plastic piece, because I know from myself, whenever I'm getting into the winter, a lot of crap gets stuck right here, and I really hated how it would get stuck between this plastic piece and the carpet. So this will be really good. It'll be interesting to see how it catches all the dirt and grime. All right, last but not least, we put this honking single piece in here. This is gonna take a little longer for it to get the right shape. So be patient. Put some rocks and like I'd put some bricks to try to kind of settle it and let the sun hit it, and it should fit nice. Kind of fold it like a taco. Bring it all the way back. This tucks in.
I'm really happy with how these look. WeatherTech has kind of always been the industry's best when it comes to floor mats, and I'm really not disappointed. It looks like these were perfectly designed for this truck. The SuperCrew has that huge back seat, so it's kind of nice to have that single piece that WeatherTech has for this truck, and that's what I really wanted. I have kids now, so just having that single piece in the back is really nice. It's going to keep that whole back area protected from spills and gum and everything else. So I'm really happy with how it came out. And I've heard nothing but great things about WeatherTech, but maybe I'll make another video and I'll show you guys how these have held up and whether or not I'm still happy with these after a full winter in New England. So, but overall, just really happy with the look. The fit and finish is high quality, and the material looks like it's going to be something that's going to hold up over time. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, guys. See ya.